Ons is nou net klaar met 'n baie opwindende dag 4 van ons MDDK Estetfit, MDDK ATKV Estetfit. Dit was die dansafdeling en by my op die blou bank het ek ons beoordelaar Jackie Lulu. Welkom Jackie.
Dankie. Dankie dat ek hier is.
Dit is baie lekker om jou hier op die plaas te hê. Sê vir my 'n bietjie, het jou ma jou Jackie Lulu genoem? Het klink soos 'n liedjie. Hanja Lulu Lulu, Jackie Lulu.
Nee, dit is 'n naam wat ek myself gedoop het. Ja, nee, ek is
eintlik Jacoba.
My ouma is Jacoba,
okay.
Maar dit is no correspondence. Ek was Jacqueline Kriegel gedoop en grootgemaak. Maar ja, dit was maar moeilik vir die Engelse mense om by te hou met Jacqueline Kriegel. So toe verander ek dit maar net vir iets wat bietjie beter sit in die mond en Lulu was 'n bynaam op skool. So Jackie as verkort vir Jacqueline. So ja, Jackie Lulu het maar net sin gemaak en had a nice ring to it. So.
En is 'n baie lekker naam vir iemand in performing arts, in the show business.
En ek voel ook dit is amper soos wat ek 'n stage personality kan hê en Jacqueline vir myself hou. So ja.
Jackie het ook vir ons gister die sang beoordeel. So Jackie, jy is opgelei in musical theater. Waar het jy jou opleiding gekry en vertel ons 'n bietjie daarvan en jy het ook 'n draai op die oseaan gemaak, né?
Ja, ek het al 'n paar draaie op die oseaan gemaak. Maar waar begin ek? Ek sing en dans en doen drama al my hele lewe, basies. Ek het maar ook deelgeneem aan daai Estetfit soos hierdie en maar opleiding gekry waar ek kon. Ek het groot geword in die Wesrand in 'n klein dorpie, Randfontein. Maar ja, my maat ver gery, Pretoria toe, Johannesburg toe, alle plekke rondgery vir my om die beste opleiding te kry. Maar ek het gaan swat in die Kaap by 'n institusie met die naam van LAMTA, dis 'n musical theater academy college. Maar ja, ek leer my eintlik nog steeds. So jy moet nie opleer nie. So ja, ek probeer maar altyd iets leer by almal. Ek meen selfs om hierso te gewees het die laaste 2 dae is daar kinders wat my ook geïnspireer het om nuwe goeders te probeer en of my herinner aan dinge wat ek al van vergeet het oor die jare. So ja, dit was lekker. En al my oseane trippies, ja, ek het gewerk al, ek dink seker so 3 keer op van die MSC cruises.
Okay.
Onder keer Darren en sy vrou eintlik snaaks genoeg.
Ja.
Hulle het kids cruises wat hulle doen elke jaar. En ek werk elke jaar op die skip as 'n prinses. My prinses is Sneeuwwitjie. So ja, ek is seker julle kan sien hoekom ek Sneeuwwitjie is omdat my hare donker is.
Okay.
Ja, maar ja, dit was
want daar's nogal baie kinders wat van ons af wat ook nogal belangstel om dit is nogal 'n groot ding. Is 'n geleentheid dink ek bietjie van 'n gap jaar miskien te vat en so aan kinders wat graag wil gaan op werk op die skip.
Ja. En om op skippe oor die algemeen te werk, al is dit net as miskien 'n waiter of as 'n cleaner of so ietsie. Dit is lekker geld. Ek sien die wêreld. Jy weet jy kan plekke heen gaan en jy word basies betaal om 'n vakansie te wees. Maar jy moet 'n bietjie werk, ongelukkig, maar ja. Okay,
and Jackie, on your CV we saw that you choreographed quite a few artist videos. What does that entail? Was it like music videos?
Yes, music videos and some corporate things as well, where we work in corporate industry as backup dancers for some artists. Literally a couple of weeks ago, I danced with Mafiki Zolo. I don't know if you guys are familiar with them, but yeah, I've also worked with Bernice West, Deandre Barnard, I'm not sure if you know who she is. And
as a choreographer or as a dancer?
Both, yes.
Okay.
So, yeah, it's been not too many, but it's been fun.
And yesterday after the dancing, after the singing, you entertained the crowd a little bit with some Whitney Houston, I believe. Yeah. What do you prefer between singing and dancing? Do you have a preference? Do you like both? Do you like to combine the two?
Honestly, I think musical theatre has always been my love. So musical theatre is all three. It's singing, dancing, and acting. I think if I sing, I have to jive at some point. I have to use my face at some point. So I think definitely all three disciplines are very important to me. But I'm not going to lie, I do think that singing has always been my first love. Okay. So yeah, that little performance that we did last night as an end of the day was very, very fun. And a lot of the students that partook in the competition were also jamming with me and having fun. So yeah, it was a very, very fun moment.
So what do you think is the importance or the value of something like our Estetfit here in Sanin at the MDDA for a child?
I honestly think it is Sure, can I say it's more important than going to university? Probably not. That's important too. But honestly, I think that these types of opportunities are very important, and the fact that a school like Marinsky and other high schools in the area and other provinces allow their kids to partake in things like this is so important. Art for kids, for young people, is important. I think that we all need to do art in some way, shape or form. As human beings, I think that's how God created us to be. So I think it's so important for kids to have opportunities like this. And if I have to think back on my adolescent years and being a kid in primary school, I lived for these like competitions, and again, me and my mom would do this thing where we'd take a competition every year, and I would work that competition sometimes 5 years in a row until I won like overall vocalist for the entire year group or for the entire category or whatever. And then we move on to a harder competition and kind of travel around with that. So yeah, it was very challenging for me. And that way you also experience different judges, different adjudicators, people who, and other dancers, other dance teachers, other people that are just from all over and have their own style and flair and things. And so it builds confidence, it builds inspiration. Character, yeah. And it's also good to be critiqued. I think it is very important for young kids, people to just know that sometimes what you're doing, nudge
you
this
can
way,
work on
nudge this
something.
way, just improve constantly, build yourself, and so.
Thank you so much for coming and sharing your input for us, because I think it's really valuable, and we really try to get good adjudicators, and we prize ourselves at the MDDA to get good adjudicators, to get advice, not critique, but advice and some input for these kids. So thank you so much
for having me.
Sharing our lovely farm. En bly ingeskakel, want môre is ons laaste dag en dan het ons 'n heerlike sessie met ons instrumentale afdeling en ons sien julle weer. Dankie.
Yeah.